Hi everybody, I'm Keith Schaefer. I want to tell you a little bit about myself before my big webinar coming up on November 24th. So one thing you might be surprised to hear, but this is something that shaped my investment philosophy hugely, is that I went broke on my very first trade. Absolutely busted. I was 23 years old. I was excited about the stock market. I had just moved to the big city, and in the office that I was working was this man who ran a junior mining company. And he told me all the wonderful things that he was going to do, and he went out and I was just convinced I was going to be a very quick learner and make a lot of money. And I was so excited I went out and bought all $5,000 worth of stock. It was my entire life savings at the time. And that stock went from 25 cents to right off the board. It was a horrible investment. I did no research. I was just totally conned by this guy. And I took responsibility for my trade. I worked back and figured things out. But what that did for me was that I swore that would never happen to me again. I swore to myself that I would figure out who the good guys are in the market, who's not, how good deals are structured, what's important to find out so you can make money time and time again. I never wanted to feel that way again. I felt horrible. For weeks, I couldn't do any more trades, and I just felt so stupid. And the woman I was living with at the time thought I was stupid. And it was a horrible story for a short time. But it turned into the best story because now I do incredible due diligence, incredible research on not only the companies and their business, but on the people behind it. So, and I've been in the game long enough now that I can tell who's who in the zoo and who I can trust and who I need to steer away from. Because I'm investing my own capital all the time in these trades. I would never talk to a subscriber about a company or a stock that I wasn't willing to put my own money into. So even though that was a bad story at first, it ended up being the best thing that ever happened to me. And I'm going to bring that level of due diligence and research to all my stock picks in my new newsletter with you.